The Youth Financial Literacy Foundation was established in 2010 in Farmington Hills, Michigan, and the efforts, programs, and resources provided are to ensure the young people of today begin a new trend of financial stewardship and creditworthiness for our future generations to come. Each year, the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation visits schools across America, providing educational programs including workbooks, interactive exercises, and donations to ensure implementation of the program, as well as having a special graduation celebration once students have completed the course. In addition, each year the YFL contributes significant scholarships to students set to attend college to aid in the advancement of their higher education. These scholarships are awarded based on a written financial literacy research project, expressive essay, and a personal interview. Our hope is that the work and thought required produces critical answers and enhances and advances the mindset toward the way they view and handle their personal and financial affairs in the future.
In addition to the scholarship funds that we're doing here today, each and every one of those schools, the YFL purchases the workbooks for those kids, so the schools don't have to buy the books or anything like that. We also donate $500 for every group of 35 students that go through the class.
YFL, the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, we are pleased and proud to present you this check for $25,000.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I believe that we should all be inspiring our youth to much higher heights. Don't you agree? I just want people to realize that there's nothing that can limit you, and there's nothing that can say you can only go so far. Contrary to what some people may think, there are many hardworking young people out there, and we just need more adults like you to believe in us, to teach us, and to support us. I promise that I will put this scholarship to great use and give back to my community. Thank you again, and God bless you all.
Hi, my name is Debbie Scarborough. I'm the founding director here at Cumberland Academy of Georgia. Our students are special kids who really need this type of experience.
We're a special needs school, so a lot of our students have problems with executive functioning, with organizing their life, and as they grow older, progressively we're trying to develop important life skills for these kids. Is there a more important life skill than how to manage one's money? So this has provided a framework for us to work with our students to achieve that skill.
For me, it was the budgeting activities. I've been using them a lot lately in my daily life.
So grateful that you gave us this opportunity, and it will certainly be utilized with all of our students. Thank you again from Cumberland Academy of Georgia. Yay for financial literacy.
My name is Dr. Walker from Benjamin E. Mays High School, and my students had an opportunity to participate in the Youth Financial Literacy Program. In this program, my students were able to learn about being financial savvy.
We have 1,700 students that will eventually go through the program, most of which have never seen a check, do not have a bank account, and had no idea how to set a goal or what financial literacy meant.
With the Youth Financial Literacy Program, it taught me a lot, because before I got into the program, I didn't know anything about banking or depositing or writing checks. But once I got into the program, it really taught me how to write a check, what deposits are, and I set a goal through the program, and I accomplished that goal through the help of the Youth Financial Literacy Program.
This program just is so amazing. I hope other students, not just in Georgia, but in other states, can learn about financial literacy. Thank you guys so much.
I just want to thank YFL and FES for the opportunity that you allowed us here in the city of Atlanta at Benjamin Elijah Mays High School.
We're here at the Detroit Academy of Arts and Science. We're fortunate again to be here with the CEO of the school, Mr. Maurice Morton.
That's going to make everybody happy. Please welcome the amazing kids from the Detroit Academy of Arts and Sciences Show Choir.
Thank you, FES, and all of the agents, and I know the kids have just a few words to say to everyone.
Thank you, YFL, for giving us the donations for our field trip. We will now be able to take the advantage to go on this field trip without your help.
As with any successful nonprofit organization, major contributions are necessary to help fulfill its purpose. The YFL is very thankful and appreciative of Financial Education Services, a company dedicated to providing credit and financial solutions through a unique membership known as the Protection Plan. Each client, by simply making their $89 monthly membership payment, automatically donates $2 each month to the YFL. With tens of thousands of clients, FES has been able to provide great support to the YFL for many years. FES's co-founders, Mike Toloff and Paramel Nayak, recognized as principals of a financial education company, and more importantly, as human beings, a strong desire and obligation as well as an urgent responsibility to make a difference in the future of our young people. At the YFL, we understand the significant role that money, credit, and the handling of one's personal finances play in all of our daily lives. We feel that if we develop our young people, we are strengthening our greatest asset and providing them advantages of a sound financial education, affording them the best chance of establishing financial security and a prosperous future. YFL, helping the youth of today build a stronger tomorrow.